From the land of ancient wisdom rises a new force, where innovation meets opportunity, where digital dreams take shape, and where Odisha's technology revolution is rewriting India's IT story. For 17 years, War India has championed this transformation through the Odisha Information and Technology Fair, a platform where small and medium enterprises meet global giants, where value-added resellers showcase innovation, and where the channel community drives digital progress. From nascent beginnings to becoming Eastern India's premier IT conclave, OITF has witnessed Odisha's evolution into a formidable technology ecosystem. Today, Odisha stands transformed. Bhubaneswar, recognized among India's top smart cities, hosts over 100 IT and ITES companies. The state's robust 40,000-kilometer fiber optic network connects the remotest villages to digital services. With electronics manufacturing hubs attracting global investments, thriving startup incubators nurturing unicorn ambitions, and visionary policies positioning Odisha as India's semiconductor destination, the state has moved from participant to protagonist in India's technology narrative. OITF 2026 arrives at a pivotal moment. As businesses navigate unprecedented technological disruption, this year's theme, Driving Growth with Innovation and Transparency, calls us to reimagine agile business models that deliver stakeholder value, enhance competitiveness, and embrace ethical technology frameworks. Over the next hours, visionary CIOs, technology leaders, dynamic entrepreneurs, and policy architects will converge to decode challenges, exchange breakthrough ideas, and chart pathways for sustainable digital growth. Here, SMEs discover scale, wars forge partnerships, enterprises unlock solutions, startups find mentors, and Odisha's IT community unites to accelerate the state's journey from emerging hub to national powerhouse. Through keynotes that inspire, panels that provoke thought, exhibitions that showcase possibility, and networks that create opportunity, OITF is where Odisha's digital future takes shape. And because true progress honors both innovation and heritage, today we also celebrate the jewels of Odisha, recognizing luminaries whose excellence across every field reminds us that technology serves a higher purpose, empowering people, preserving culture, and building inclusive prosperity. Odisha's technology revolution is still unfolding. The potential is limitless. The momentum is undeniable. The time is now. Whether you're building the next breakthrough solution, scaling enterprises, or shaping policies that enable innovation, your voice matters. Your vision counts. Your collaboration will define what comes next. Welcome to the 17th Odisha Information and Technology Fair. Welcome to the conversations that shape tomorrow. Welcome to OITF 2026.